so the wheels have come back from the powder coating place. It's a lovely finish on them. So all I do now is put them all back together. So I stick all the discs, got all these titanium bolts. Make sure you use a bit of Loctite on each bolt. So I'll put them back together and then I'll show you what they look like from there. Right, so I've stuck the new AFAM on. Stuck all the new bearings in. Put the discs on. So yeah, it's got all brand new titanium bolts all the way around. I'll put the seals in a minute. I'm just going to go off down the tyre shop now, get these 2 tyres put on. And these are the CT2s, Power 5s. Yeah, probably about the best road tyres you can get at the moment. So let's get them down there and get these tyres put back on. So I was going to show all the ins and outs of me fixing it, but I've actually sold the bike now, so I thought I'd just give it one last walk around. As you can see, freshly powder coated wheels. It's picking up a bit of dirt there. Get a cloth on that in a minute. Like I say, all new chain sprockets. New calipers. And then just generally give it a bit of a clean. For 21 years old. That's in pretty good nick, that is. Always starts first time as well. Always sad to see it go, but anyway, on to the next project. Thanks for watching, until next time, bye.